Hi, I'm Leanne and I was sent this storage rack in exchange for my review, so I'm going to show you how to set it up and how it works. I started out by organizing all of the equipment, and then I went to the first page of the assembly manual. Step number 1 is screwing the wheels into the 4 poles that have a notch for the wheel, so I'm going to do that now. The shelf comes with a little wrench that can help you tighten the wheels, but I found that it was very easy to secure them by hand. This step was quick and probably took me about 2 minutes total. When you first place the rack over the 4 wheeled poles, it's going to crash all the way to the bottom. So to prevent that, you take these little clips, and there's enough for obviously the whole cart, and they clip on the leg and the shelf sits on top. And it tells you right here, you see where it says top. So I'll show you, I'll choose my height I want. I'm just going to put it on the lowest one. I'm going to make sure the top part is facing up. And then I'm going to take the other clip here and click it to match. Now that that's locked in place, it's going to balance the shelf at the height that I want. So I'm going to do that for all 4 now. This was really simple once I got the hang of it, and I could move very quickly. Once you get all your clips on there, it's going to slide into the metal casing just like that, and that's going to keep it securely where you want it. So here's what it should look like with each rack pressed down. You can see the edge of the clip sticking out right here. It's firmly on that clip, and it's balanced out my bottom rack. Now I'm just going to repeat that, and I can choose any height I want. That's what all these little notches are for. So I'm going to repeat that for the next 5 tiers. Full assembly took me about 20 minutes. Everything was also packaged really nicely and securely, and it was easy to identify each piece I needed at each different stage. I think my favorite 2 things about this rack are that it's on wheels, so I can move it easily, and I can choose the height of each shelf that I want. In summary, I was happy with this wire rack. I felt like it performed like I expected it to. It's strong and sturdy, and assembly was simple, so I do recommend it.